Hi everybody, welcome to Hitchhiking Tham and the Secret Journey of Rulo. In the last video, I was leaving Marburg with a view to going to South Germany. So, in the outskirts of Marburg, I was stuck in this gas station, wondering if someone would stop and take me southern. After speaking with several people, a man drove me 49 kilometers far from Marburg to a village named Butzbach, where I recovered my faith. But in between, when I arrived to this new gas station in that village, I realized that I made about 9,951 kilometers during this 8-month traveling. And those 49 kilometers will make me really happy that day.
To the east, the road beneath my feet. To the west, well I haven't got there yet. And to the north, never to be caught. To the south, my time is running out.
I'm in a town that is called Butzbach, and I'm not so far from Frankfurt. It's around, I guess, 40 kilometers, and well, I'm walking to the road, to the entrance of the highway. It's really cold, man. I'm freezing my feet, I'm freezing my hands, I'm freezing my balls. It's terrible cold, man. And everything is full of snow. All this is snow. This is the first time walking in the snow. It's unbelievably beautiful. God, it's 2 in the afternoon, and well, I have to go there though. So let's see what happens.
To be caught. To the south, my time is running out.
So why would I be happy about the 49 kilometers? Well, because I finally made the first 10,000 kilometers hitchhiking.
8 meses, 145 autos, 10.000 kilómetros. ¡Ya! 10.000 kilómetros, llegué a los 10.000 kilómetros en Autostop. Estoy en un pequeño pueblo de Alemania. La primera vez que estoy haciendo autostop en la nieve. Es hermoso. No les puedo contar lo hermoso que es. 8 meses. 8 meses ya. 10.000 kilómetros en autostop. 145 autos. Y todavía falta llegar a Frankfurt, todavía falta. Pero no les puedo contar la alegría que siento ya llegar a los 10.000 kilómetros solo a dedo. Es hermoso. Ahora tengo que seguir caminando para allá y encontrar la entrada a la autopista que me va a llevar hasta Frankfurt, que son más o menos 40 kilómetros que me faltan, pero ya pasé la barrera de los 10.000, así que con la alegría de estos tantos meses, de toda la gente que me ayudó, y con la alegría también de poder estar caminando la nieve, de poder ver la nieve en una ciudad por primera vez, es hermoso. Es súper hermoso. Nos vemos en Frankfurt. Nos vemos allá.
The horizon is my home. I face the horizon everywhere that I go. I face the horizon is my home.
Se me mojó un poco la señal, pero seguimos. Ahí, boom. De una, sí, de una. Sin avisar, se vino toda la nieve. A full, loco. No sé si llorar, gritar o estar feliz, loco. Estoy zarpadamente feliz.
Me convertí en cartero por un día.
Cuando haces autostop nunca sabes quién frenará. Puede ser una familia, un empresario, un joven con su novia, un grupo de bellas muchachas. Hay cientos de ejemplos. Pero ese día en la ruta sería Mohamed quien con una gran sonrisa frenó su camión y juntos viajamos hasta Frankfurt repartiendo encomiendas.
Well, I was in, what's the name of the towns?
No?
You picked me.
We was in Butzbach.
Butzbach, I was in Butzbach with all the snow and really cold. And Mohamed saw me on the road and he definitely picked me up. He not only drove me to Frankfurt, he drove me to the outside of Frankfurt where I had to stay. And he drove me there, and when I told him that I had to, because we arrived at 3 in the afternoon, when I told him I had to wait until 7, he said, okay, let's go and eat something and drink something. And we eat together and Mohamed take care of me. Yeah. So now we're talking, and this is the hospitality, the German hospitality, but also this is the Iranian hospitality. Yes. Okay, Mohamed, thank you so much.
Dankeschön, danke Manuela, hat mich sehr gefreut, dich kennenzulernen, hat mich so viel Spaß gemacht mit dir. Wir sind spazieren gegangen, wir haben uns kennengelernt jetzt.
Alright, that's a lot to translate. That's a lot to translate, alright. Okay, so
I face the horizon, the horizon is my home.